everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is DramaT. And today I'm super excited because we are going to celebrate the New Year's Eve, which is going to be 2024, and I'm super excited for today. I'm just gonna get ready with my makeup and all the stuff, and then I'll meet you guys. Bye bye. Now we are in the car and I'm ready. I'm pretty ready. And now we are going to the fireworks. It is raining a lot. We don't know if we can see the fireworks today, so let's see how the plan goes. We are in the city right now and we are here to see the fireworks. So hopefully if the rain stops. Now it's not raining, but still it was raining before. For you to tell that it's the New Year's. There is where we are going to stand and see the fireworks.
The royals came as well. Yeah, they all came to Expo. Feel like this again.
Where did you get these from?
I got them from a stranger because they thought they didn't want them anymore, so they gave it to us because we were little kids. So they were like, you can have it because our children are way too old for it.
Come on, mommy. So बारिश तो नहीं, but moon जरूर आ गया है. It looks so beautiful. That's the party board. Still is left for the fireworks and we are super excited. Minutes to go and I'm on my knees to record the most beautiful fireworks.
ऐसा लगे डरी रात है डरी 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 दबे 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 पैरों से वो चली घास की घास घास खाली सी डिब्बी में हुई वो कैद थी चंदा की मारी हमने तो ले लेती तारों की चाबी से खुली सफेद सी सुबह 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 चुगली उड़ी नए नए पर दिए ओ पिंजरा खो चुगली उड़ी दिल में घर किए ओ पिंजरा खो अगर बन भी जाए कोई तिनका लेके हाथ में ढूंढ लेंगे हम किनारे 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 खुद ही तो है हम किनारे कैसे होंगे कम किनारे हैं जहाँ है हम किनारे खुद ही तो है हम हाँ खुद ही तो है हम
Now saw the 12 a.m. fireworks. It was spectacular. Yes. Happy New Year, guys. Okay, we'll meet you afterwards. Let's see what's the plan. We are planning to go to pub. Achanak se plan bana. We have our passports in the bag. Coincidentally, because we are shifting. I'll tell you the story afterwards. And now we are just walking towards the club. Let's see if we go or not. So when we want to stop the traffic light, we push this, and when it turns green, then we can walk. We are walking. We are Indians. We don't do anything. Yeah, we don't need to follow the traffic lights. The clubs in the same street. Clubbing area, proper area. Not go to any club because बहुत ज़्यादा गंद पड़ा हुआ था. Means बहुत rush था. And now maybe we are going for a long drive. This is the Story Bridge. Yeah, this is the bottom of Story Bridge's ass. Clubbing means a long drive side.
ये कोचे गुरबेज है दिलचस्प भी है रास्ते दिल के
Oh, it's the ice cream time.
Hi, Le. Hi, Le.
I'm so sorry guys, Butch, I can't take any orders right now. I'm just in the middle of my nightly system shutdown. Hopefully it'll be about half an hour.
Oh my God.
That's right, have a good night.
Okay. Bye bye.
गुरबेज है दिलचस्प भी है
यार पता कितना मजाक बनाते हैं अगले अंदर
Hi. Kire give me 1 second, please. Kire ki lana?
soft serve with flake
Soft serve with
hot
ande.
hot fudge वही ना chocolate वाला
Hot pad with extra pad.
यार
Any si utte.
ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁਣੋ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਮੇਟ ਗੱਲ ਤਾਂ ਸੁਣੋ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਰੋਟੀ ਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਇੱਕ ਮਾਮਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਬੰਬੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਵਾਈਫ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਮੇਰੀ ਮਾਮੀ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ
Mami lagi rahe the. Basically mami.
मेरी मामी थी भाई मामी होगी
खौफ किसका मैं जो हूं ना है दिल
o'clock in the morning और अब हम घर पे आ चुके हैं. Very tired. Just wanna sleep. Reached home. अभी नहा धो के fresh होके then I'll sleep. And happy New Year, guys. Have a great year ahead. And do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is DramaT. And enjoy your day. Bye bye.